Today we're checking out the 1 7/8 inch long tube headers with Y pipe for the 2014 to 2018 V8 Silverado 1500s. This setup is a great option for Silverado owners looking to maximize horsepower, torque, and exhaust tone with a high flow header and piping solution. Right away, the standout feature of these long tube headers is their large 1 7/8 inch primary tubes paired with an integrated Y pipe for efficient exhaust merging. This combination reduces back pressure significantly, improving mid-range torque and high RPM power, ideal for towing, hauling, or even some aggressive driving. The Y pipe is designed to optimize exhaust scavenging across both banks and connect straight to most aftermarket catback exhaust systems, simplifying installation and minimizing the need for custom piping. This design helps maintain smooth flow and consistent sound output without requiring any fabrication. These headers are going to be a bolt-on upgrade that connects to the factory catalytic converters and attached to the existing exhaust mounts. They offer the sound and power benefits of those long tube headers with minimal fitment headaches and maintain compliance with factory emissions in many applications. The key design features of this system include Mandrel-Bent tubing for unrestricted flow, thick CNC cut flanges for proper sealing, and TIG welded joints for durability under those high heat conditions. Alright, when it comes to the construction, these are going to be made from top quality T304 stainless steel. And these headers resist corrosion and hold up under extreme engine temperatures with their CNC machined 16 gauge flanges. The mandrel bends keep exhaust flow smooth throughout the 3-inch pipes, while the TIG welded seams provide strength and longevity. This Y pipe is quality built and fit to maintain alignment and sealing without any leaks. As far as the pricing goes, these are coming in right around that upper $300 price range. Considering the performance gains, the stainless steel construction, and that straightforward installation, it's a strong value for Silverado owners who are looking for serious exhaust upgrades without going full custom. It's really hard to beat in that upper $300 price range for such quality long tube headers. When it comes to the install, this is fairly involved, so it's going to get rated at 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and expect to spend about 5 hours to complete the job. The install is going to include removal of the factory manifolds and fitting the new Y pipe and headers to the exhaust system. While the bolt-on system eliminates the need for welding, tight clearances and the precise alignment of the system make this best suited for very experienced mechanics or some professionals. So if you aren't 100% confident in your ability to get this on, just go ahead and hire someone to help you out with this install. A post-install tune is recommended to fully take advantage of the power upgrade. Alright, that's going to wrap up my review of the 1 7/8 inch long tube headers with Y pipe for the 2014 to 2018 V8 Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.